Hi there, my name is Wendy Gallagher, founder of Causeway Coast Foodie Tours in Coleraine. Today, on this lovely autumn morning, I'm here with the fantastic Becky Cole at Brockgammon Farm just outside Ballycastle, and we are very excited. We are here today to pick pumpkins and also a wee bit later on to meet the gorgeous goats that so love seeing visitors coming to the farm here. So Becky, thank you so much for hosting us here this morning. It's lovely to see you.
Lovely to see you too.
So just tell us a little bit about if visitors want to come to the pumpkin patch. Tell us a bit about what you're doing and how long it's running for.
Okay, so our little pumpkin patch, the entire farm and our farm shop is all open every weekend, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, in the pumpkin patch until the end of October. And there's no seating obviously at the moment because of COVID, but you're more than welcome to get your coffee to take away, go for a little wander. You can grab a wheelbarrow and collect some pumpkins and pay for them in the shop afterwards. But then there's the whole farm to wander around as well. We've got the goats that you can go see, donkeys, pigs, or just enjoy the beautiful Northern Irish coast. And yeah, then there's the shop with the coffee, cakes, and loads of really good Irish produce from amazing producers that are based here in Northern Ireland and Ireland as well.
So plenty to keep you busy. We have got the next generation of Coles here as well, with Toby with us, which is just fantastic to see. So Becky, I mean, you've been here a while. You've developed such a good food experience here at Brockgammon Farm. Tell us why you think that this particular Causeway Coast and Glens area is really becoming more and more successful as a food destination.
I think it's just because there's a good group of us now that are really interesting food producers that work with the land, really passionate about what we do, and there's a nice network of us now that you can kind of go visit quite a few people if you come up for the weekend or something and make a bit of a day of it. Yeah. And yeah, I think it's a beautiful location as well. Yeah. It doesn't hurt.
We're biased, aren't we, really?
Yeah.
Okay, well thanks Becky, and we'll come back to you later on. Thank you. So normally at this time of year I would be running a series of food tours such as my Coast and Country tour or Heart and Soul of Portrush, and these tours really aim to showcase the people behind our produce. Visitors get a chance to see and hear the story behind our food. We get to see hidden gems of the area, and most importantly, visitors get the chance to get a real taste of our place. We're so lucky to live where we do. Causeway Coast and Glens area is so gorgeous. It's got so many beautiful landscapes. It's got wonderful activities, attractions, history and heritage, and of course, such a diverse range of fantastic locally produced food and drink. Causeway Coast Foodie Tours offers visitors a range of world-class food and drink experiences, such as letting visitors sample whisky from the world's oldest licensed whisky distillery, giving them the opportunity to taste unique menus created by our award-winning chefs, catching and cooking our fresh seafood, doing cookery classes where we get to use and create beautiful dishes from our wonderful homegrown producers, artisan markets, brewery tours, and having a beautiful farm experience such as this, where we come to the likes of farms like Brockgammon, who are producing food to world-leading standards in animal welfare, environmental and food safety standards. COVID-19 has not stopped the supply of our beautiful local produce, but simply we're delivering this in a very different way. So farms in the Causeway Coast and Glens area, such as Browder Gold and Corndale Farm in Limavady, Jameson Potatoes and Brockgammon Farm here in this area, are selling produce very actively, either through their farm shops, through local farmers markets such as Naturally North Coast and Glens and Causeway Speciality Market, and online as well. We've got lots of business in our local towns also being innovative, being creative with how they are going to be serving their food and drink. So we have in Limavady, for example, the likes of Yellow Bird. We have the Central Bar and Time & Co in Ballycastle, Zinc in Ballymoney, and Cereso and Ground in Coleraine, all offering either takeaway or home delivery menus. We have a wonderful collaborative food network here on the Causeway Coast called Taste Causeway. Member businesses there have also worked very, very hard during the pandemic to supply and offer different ways to enjoy our local produce. We have babushka and Kraken fish and chips in Portrush, Wark's Deli in Port Stewart, Tartine, the French Rooms in Bushmills, and New Society in Coleraine, who have pivoted their business to supply beautiful menus either for delivery or for takeaway, so you can keep enjoying a taste of the Causeway, Coast and Glens. These businesses are looking after the safety of customers during the pandemic. Many of them have undertaken bespoke training courses such as the Taste Causeway Safe and Alert, as well as the Northern Ireland accredited Good to Go programme. So you will be well looked after in any of these establishments, and there's certainly no reason why you can't keep enjoying our wonderful food and drink. So if you would like any more information on any of the Taste Causeway businesses and what they're offering during this time, you can visit www.tastecauseway.com, and the information on the website will give you a profile of the wonderful food and drink that's available in the area at the moment. So please do visit, and most importantly, enjoy. Well, after a lovely morning here at Brockgammon Farm, I'm certainly looking forward to tucking into this gorgeous spiced apple juice and beautiful homemade lemon curd and cream cake. Becky, thank you so much. Really have enjoyed our time with you today. Can't wait to get the pumpkins home and make loads of delicious treats with those as well. So certainly folks, whenever you're able, I urge you to do the same. Come and visit our wonderful food producers here on the Causeway, Coast and Glens Borough. They're all here to look after you safely, and certainly all ready to welcome you back here to the Causeway Coast. I, for one, can't wait to continue our food experience journeys with you. Thank you for all your support so far, and I would just ask you please to stay safe and keep enjoying our fantastic local produce. So take care and happy Halloween. Bye.